Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to insert a drop-down list in Google Sheets. First, you select the cells that you would like to insert the list in. Then go to the Insert option up here. We'll see the feature drop-down. We press on it. On the right, it will open up a tab that will first show you the cells that you chose, the criteria, which is drop-down, and then the options that we would like to insert. So as an example here, I have a list of customers with clothes sizes. So first I'll go with small, second option, medium. Also for the third option, we can insert extra options by pressing on add another item. Then I'll press large. One of the features in drop-downs is that you can choose the color of each option. As an example here, I'll go with red for small, blue for medium, and let's go with gray for large. Then we press done. So let's try out the drop-down list, and as you can see, it will give the options that we chose. Also, it will change the cell to the colors that we specified. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.